In today's video, I will show you how to earn $650 from Google Play Store. I would like to introduce you to a wide range of programs that offer different payouts, starting with the lowest and going up to the highest paying option. Let's dig deeper into these exciting programs. Your first destination in Google Play Store is called octapush.com. It is really interesting because it is dedicated to game testing world. Yes, you go it right. It takes money to play and test new mobile games. It is important to note that although it is relatively new with over 10,000 downloads, it is growing at a steady rate if you decide to explore their website. You will come across a simple and exciting slogan to get paid to test mobile games. The concept is simple for everyone. The test you take has the potential to pocket $5 to $10. The play testing process usually only takes 5 and 10 minutes of your time because your role is very important as you become one of the privileged few to experience these games. Before the official public release, what makes this effort even more exciting is that you are not only earning money but actively practicing in the evolution of these mobile apps. Your feedback and experiences directly influence how the developers improve their games. Are a unique opportunity to be part of the creative process while increasing your earnings to get the next app in our portfolio. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The next app is called Repuit.co. The process is as simple as you just need to download the app, let it run in the background of your device as your devices share their unused internet connection, and you will see your income grow. It simply doesn't stop there, which you can even create by referring new users. As soon as your income reaches $20, you can start a withdrawal, and for each user who successfully earns, you will receive a commission of 10% of their income. To put the earning potential in perspective, devices running the program provide approximately 10 gigs of unused data. This scenario can lead to a significant passive income of around $600 per month. It is a significant opportunity to earn money from your ideal resources. Start these programs. They offer attractive opportunities to not only earn money but also influence the development of the mobile gaming industry and make the most of our ideal internet resources. The next app, called Be My Eye, offers a unique and attractive way to increase your income by providing us with short missions that you can complete in your area. And most of your role is to complete the missions according to the instructions provided, and you will be compensated for your efforts. It is as simple as that when you access their website, which gives you this opportunity, which you can there earn in your spare time. Open the app and you'll see a list of missions that are conveniently located near you. These missions usually involve simple tasks like taking a snapshot of the grocery store shelf to check for missing time. The fact that it has earned its reputation by collaborating with prominent brands such as Nestle, Samsung, and etc. This high profile collaborating emphasis the real ability of this platform. The process of making money with this platform is very simple. First, you choose a mission that interests you, then you physically visit the designed location. Use the app to complete the task specified in the mission, and upon successful completion of the mission, you can expect a decent payment for your efforts. The next app, called Vicens, offers you a fantastic opportunity to earn money by sharing your options. This forum is a versatile platform that allows you to participate in various online activities, including paid surveys and completing cash offers and more. If this not only that, you can also use your social connections to increase your income by referring others the platforms. You can earn 30% of their earnings by participating in surveys covering a range of topics, from expressing your views on food to sharing your coffee preferences. These activities allows you to turn your thoughts into income. Converse, whether it's a 5 minutes survey or a longer test. In fact, your comments have monetary value. The next platform is called Repuit, although it is a newcomer to the app world. This platform, like Vicens, is focused on creating a platform to share your thoughts and options about different companies. In creating the way companies work, your questions and tasks, providing your honest answers for a decent payment is a simple and useful process. It has similarities with Vicens, but with a new twist, and it's for those who enjoy making money from giving feedback. This makes for an exciting prospect, making this platform one of the highest paying platforms on our list. These apps offer exciting opportunities to make money online, each offering a different way to increase your income, and all of them are accessible directly from your smartphone. So dive into these apps and explore the potential to increase your income.